Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making this cute little anniversary card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and start with our stamping, and I have a piece of copper foil. And I'm going to get my first mark. And I'm using the hearts from Heart Happiness. We're going to be using the stripes, the polka dots, and then this other stripes. So I'm just going to ink that up. And that's on block C. And that one didn't come out very good, so go ahead and do that again. Alright, now I have a piece of regular paper, and I'm going to put the copper embossing powder right on top. I'm going to go ahead and do all three of these and see which one comes out better. Alright, and now I'm going to get my heat tool, and I'm going to set it on setting 1. And this might take a little bit longer, but you don't want the foil to burn. So my husband and I have been together for 22 years, and traditionally the gift is copper, so I wanted to incorporate that in my card. don't know if y'all can see that. All right, now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have the magnetic cutting platform. And I have the heart from Lots to Love box. And I'm just going to get a piece of washi tape because the paper curled a little from the heat. So I just want to ensure that it doesn't move. And then these hearts are from the Sweet and Sassy collection. Alright, and I decided not to use those other two because I didn't like the way the image came out, so. Now I'm going to bring in my platform to emboss, and I have another piece of copper. And this measures 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the wood plank embossing folder. And this is the dynamic embossing folder, so you only need the top plate. Oh, I just love that. Alright, so let's start. Oh, there's one more thing I want to do, and I have from the alphabet labeler alphabet, I have J plus S on block G, and I'm just going to emboss that on this plain heart here. You know how you can carve your initials in a tree. I want to kind of have that effect. So I will emboss this real quick. Alright, let's put this card together. So I have a piece of Very Vanilla Thick, and that measures 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I'm going to get my wood planks. I'm going to put this down with some fast fuse. Alright. And let's see. I think I want to pop that up here. Okay, so let me get my dimensionals. And I'm actually going to pop all of these up. And now I have my copper thread, and I'm just going to wind it around my fingers a few times. And I'm going to pull the backs off of this bigger heart so I can stick that to the dimensionals on the back. I'm going to take one of these dimensionals off. Just like that. I think I kind of want it sideways like that. Alright, now for the inside, I have I Just Love You, and that is from the Petal Palette. And I'm going to go ahead and emboss that as well. Like I said, I want as much copper as I can get on this card. And since we are embossing on regular cardstock, I can go ahead and heat it on number 2. Alright, so here is a copper anniversary card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!